Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can select multiple video clips in your video project on Shotcut in 2025. So let us get started. All right, navigate to your video project, guys, and add a couple of video clips from your Shotcut video library here to your timeline. So let me, for the sake of this tutorial, create a completely new video track by hovering my mouse over track operations here, add video track, and let me add, for example, that video clip. Then also this one, simply drag them from your library. And now guys, let's say you would like to move them to a completely new video track, all of them, not one by one, but all of them. To do that, create a new video track by clicking into these three dots here, repeat the same process, click into add video track. And now guys, left click into your first video clip, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and left click into the second video clip and do the same with the third one and so on and so forth. And after that, release your left shift. And after that, as you can see, all three will be selected so that you may left click into one of them, hold your left mouse and move them simply to the new video track all at once. And that's how it works, guys. You may also remove all at once, for example. There you go. And that's how you select multiple video clips on Shotcut in 2025. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.